Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and as promised yesterday, we're going to do a 2 for Truckin' Tuesday, and we're at Mr. Norm's today to kind of mix it up a little bit for background scenery, because these two trucks actually go in our diorama. As you can see, it says Dodge Cars and Dodge Trucks, so we had to add some Dodge Trucks, so we have 4 of them in the back row. The two that you see, they're dark blue and light blue, are the hitch and tow ones we did a while back with the campers, and then the two we're doing today are orange and red. So they actually kind of go along with the high impact or bright, vibrant colors for the theme I was going for with the dealership. So, anyways, the first one we're going to take a look at is this beautiful red Fleet Side. And both of these are from Greenlight, and they are both D100s, short wheelbase, but one is a Fleet Side and one is a Stepside. So once again, nice looking truck, and they have everything correct on these D100s from Greenlight. The newer stuff that they make though, like the 80s and 90s long wheelbase ones, I don't know, there's just something up with that. I don't know what it is, if it's the wheelbase is too long, or if the area behind the rear tire is too short, because they just don't look right. I had the two Winnebago ones, and I ended up getting rid of them because, well, they just didn't look right to me. But these ones do. They did a very good job on these. Now, these are some of the earlier releases. This is from your County Roads Series 2. So this is a very early model, probably from 2007, 2009. So anyways, in this set, you had a 62 Chevy Corvette convertible. And another thing that was cool, some of these cars looked like barn finds. And I think the 62 Vet was one of them. It had like a black primered front end, and the car was like teal blue or something. Then you have this truck here, the 66 Dodge D100, a 77 Dodge Ram Charger, an 88 Pontiac Firebird, a 2006 Ford Mustang GT convertible, and an '08 Ford Crown Vic. So, pretty good, diverse lineup. So, let's go ahead and get him out of the package. And as usual, I've already cut along the back side, like so, where it flips up kind of like a little door on the back side. I did that a lot of times so I could keep these packages, because sometimes I would change and display them like carded, hanging on the wall, but I'm not doing that anymore. So I just, some packages I hang on to because the card art's really cool, but this won't be one of them. So as you can see, it's got a toolbox in the back, and not really unfortunately, because this is probably something that came about in the late 70s, 80s, as these diamond plate toolboxes for trucks. So it looks better without it sitting in our dealership parking lot. So, kind of glad that it came loose. So anyways, very nice detail on the front end with the grill, headlights, marker lights, your Dodge logo going across the front lip of the hood. The hood is cut correctly too, going down the top part of the fender almost to the wheel opening. And then you have your staggered like B-pillar. Really unique look of a Dodge truck, because none of the others had that look in the 60s. They were very square side glass in like Chevy and Ford. So Dodge was kind of unique with that, and kind of had a built-on visor, the way the roof went over the windshield. Nice Dodge logo on the tailgate, detailed tail lights, and it's hard to tell because the truck is red and the tail lights are red. Pretty sweet looking truck. And under the hood, you have detailed, not sure what size engine this thing would have had, but nice detail. Looks like Air Correct style air cleaner and such. Pretty nice looking truck with the white steel rims, the poverty caps, and the black wall tires. So really cool piece to have in our collection, and I'm going to put him back over here in the parking lot. Well, car lot, I should say. It is a parking lot, but for cars that are for sale. So, moving along to the second one, and this is from the Route 66 set. And ironically, the other Stepside that I have, I believe, is a 65 also, and it came from the Route 66 box set of 15 cars from Toys R Us we unboxed a couple months ago. And it said Firestone on the side, had white Firestone, white letter tires. The only problem with it, it had some casting flaw on the lip of the roof, right above the windshield, where there's a little chunk gone. Not that bad, like in side shots, you don't really notice it, but I don't know. Maybe they had an issue with the casting that day or something, or the mold or something like that. So, anyways, this is a big write-up about Route 66. I'm not really going to get into it. Not feeling it today, so I'm just going to go right to the truck. But this has the Oklahoma Pop's convenience store as the iconic spot on Route 66. So every one of these single package cars had a significant landmark from the Route 66 trip, and this one highlights Oklahoma with Pop's convenience store. So this is a really cool looking truck, an orange with a white top. They also have a very nice looking fleet side one that's done in orange, pretty much the same color orange, and it's from the County Roads lineup. And I want to get that one, but it's usually going for like big money when you do find it. The last one I seen, I was going to bid on it, but I kind of hesitated at $20, and I just thought it was too much, but it sold for, I think, 20, maybe even a little more than 20. And there's one on eBay in Indonesia for sale, and it's about the same price, 20, but the shipping's like 20. And in that climate, I know a lot of the Greenlight stuff has a tendency to have paint rashing issues and stuff like that because of the hot, humid climate. I remember in the Philippines, a lot of stuff I would get would have some issues, so I really had to be careful. That's why there I preferred to buy everything loose. So that's why that I would not recommend to buy older stuff from those climates unless it's loose and you can get detailed pics. But yeah, this is a fantastic looking truck. You can see the Dodge tailgate really looks similar to like the tailgate on the 70 step sides. Like the, trying to get that to focus again. Yeah, this stupid camera. I think it's there. Yeah, there we go. So, anyways, oh no, we don't. Sorry, guys. There we are. So, anyways, this Dodge tailgate, the way it's made with the, like, I don't know even how to say it, but it's like the protruding, like, body lines in the tailgate. They're not wood pieces like it would have been on the Little Red Express, but that's exactly what the tailgate on the Little Red Express looks like. So, it's kind of funny how some of the body lines and unique characteristics of the trucks carried on for a couple of decades. So, really nice looking truck. Love the orange because orange is one of my favorite colors. So, I love the high impact orange stuff from Mopar. Really cool to have stuff like that, and to be able to have it with some trucks too in the parking lot, or car lot, I should say. And that's where we're going with this guy. We're going to put him back over here. And there was a guy already back there looking at it to buy it. And as you can see, there's our truck lineup. We don't have many trucks because Mr. Norm's in, say, 1971, when I was kind of making this theme of 1971, most of the cars were muscle cars, high impact colors and stuff like that. So that's what I went with when I was putting this together. But because it does say Dodge cars, Dodge trucks, I had to throw a few trucks in the mix. So we have that back row with 4 trucks, and they're all kind of like a high impact color. The 166 back there looks like B5 blue with a silver roof. So it's pretty cool. It fits in good. So that's it for today, guys, for our trucking 2 for Tuesday. We'll be back again actually tomorrow because the trucks that I was mentioning in my video yesterday for our Mopar Monday, I got those, well, not all of them, but I got a couple of them in today. And the one that I want to do tomorrow for you guys is the new auto hauler set with the Power Wagon and the CUDA with the acrylic side trailer. It's a really cool set. The only problem with it, in my opinion, it has the Coca-Cola logo on all the items. But I think I can get the Coca-Cola off the Power Wagon and put in my set. And I'm not sure what's going to happen with the trailer or the CUDA. They may actually end up going up for sale. I'm not sure on that yet. I will have to think about it. But anyways, we'll be unboxing that set tomorrow so you can get a close-up look at it. So be sure to turn on your notification bell so you know when that video launches. And I hope you guys enjoy your Tuesday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow on Hump Day.